Today I went to the library to pick up my book box. I could not wait to see what was inside. The first thing I got was a paper craft. Then I got a list of everything that was in the box. There was also a really cool duck. A ghost container. And a small deck of cards. I decided to put my cards in the ghost container. My favorite item was a cool bag of stickers that I could put on my water bottle. Then I got 2 spooky books based on how I filled out my online form. There was also a cool bookmark for my books. Last but not least was a sheet of paper asking if I liked my items. Now we shall take a look at the craft. Wow, I got a ghost fold craft. This looks awesome. You're probably going to want something to cut on, for mine since I use a sheet of paper. I also use scissors, they're not included. Another thing I used was an X-Acto knife to get the small cuts, also not included. I put the paper under my craft and got to cutting. I began to cut it very carefully. Here's a quick montage. I loved my book box, and I can't wait to get another one.